Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a very highly requested video. Some of you asked that you wanted to see me break down and stomp on the balloons and not see my kids stomp on the balloons, because usually when I break down I give it to my kids to stomp on it, but some of you said no, you want to see me stomp on it. So I'm going to be breaking down this balloon Garland. I did this about a month ago and you see it is still looking good. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to break it down and then stomp on it. All right guys, stay tuned and let us break down and stomp. So actually the way I did this balloon, I did it different from the other ones that I usually do, the way I always show you how to do with the rope and all of that. No, I didn't do it with the rope. I did it with 260 balloons, and for some of them I just tied the necks together to connect different clusters together, if that makes sense. So I take two clusters, put them together by tying the necks. Okay, so I'm going to use my scissors to cut it up because there are 260 balloons. I don't know if you're seeing, let me just turn the camera so you can see properly. So you're going to see that these are 260 balloons that I used, and if you do this properly, there's no way your balloon is going to move. Like you can see, it is intact. I'm even touching here and you're not seeing it. So it is intact. Look at here. If you can see what I'm showing you. Here are 260 balloons that I used to connect two clusters together. So this is a cluster, you see. Now I can take it out. This is a cluster, this is another cluster, and I connected them together just like this. So I did not use a string, I didn't use a fishing line or a ribbon that I usually use. I used 260 balloons, and this is really good. It helps keep your balloons intact, because sometimes the fishing line, as you pass it through the balloons, it cuts through the balloon, so it is not very advisable, and that's why I decided to be using 260 balloons. So I'm just going to take them out. Where I need to cut. I have 260, so this one is out. This one is out. Now we are going to be going up. Okay guys, all right, so now we have our balloons out here, and I'm going to stomp on them. Like you can see, some of them you can see some of them are deflating. They are losing their original sizes. See, and some of them are popping so easily. Some of them are, or all of them, have lost their original color, their shine is no longer there. That's what happens when balloons stay for so long, and also when you keep balloons in the sun, it is going to get, you lose its color, you lose its shine, okay? So, alright, that's why we are here. Let me get on this. And stomp, 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 stomp. Guys, this is a lot of exercise. I don't know why I'm doing this, but when I listen to you guys and I reply, so I'm already getting tired. I do have a bit, and then my boys will come and finish the rest. Okay? They're actually standing behind the camera, so you can hear the sound from them, right? so I'll do part of it. Actually, some of you might be asking that, why is she stomping on it like a kid? Yeah, because that's what you requested for. So that's what some of my subscribers requested for. So if you don't like what I'm doing, I'm sorry. I did it because someone requested for it. If not, normally what I do is I come with my stick or my scissors and I just pop. So usually what I do is I just use my scissors and I pop, especially at someone's house if I do an event and I want to, you know, just clean up the place and my kids are not there, I just pop like this. But since you all requested for this, that's why I'm stomping. And the reason why the balloons are not popping so fast is because they have lost their original size. So there is a lot of elasticity than before, right? So that's why it will take a little bit longer for it to pop. If not, it will pop really quick. Let me stop talking. So, okay guys, so that is it for our balloon popping. Like you can see, I am sweating. See that? That was some good exercise for us. Thank you for requesting this video. Hope you loved it. Hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, and we are going to go ahead to clean up the dirt and then put it in the recycle bin, and that will be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.